Communication is the key to everything, and it's two-way communication. It's a dialogue with our members, and they speak to us best and most efficiently through technology. We've grabbed hold of social media. It's been incredibly effective for us to talk to members, not just about the big things and storms and what's going on with restoration and when's it going to get turned back on, or when will things be fixed, but in the small things too. We've set up a great history of taking our members' comments verbatim and spreading them throughout the organization to where the services are being provided. And if it's a complaint, we reach out and address those immediately. But the technology has allowed us to be more effective and more efficient and more responsive to our communities.
And that level of communication through email, through text messages, and through social media has allowed us to pursue some other avenues that would be hard to do without the communications. And one I would point to would be our prepaid metering program. Without the almost instantaneous communication of the member through the IVR, through the mobile app, even through member services at times, through our kiosks, to make a payment when they're about to lose their electricity or when their electricity's just been cut off and they can get restored immediately through the communication of our network to their meter, is just huge. It opens up options for people who had very limited options before due to financial hardship and the cost of a deposit, and now they're able to manage their account, manage their usage, and it's all through communications. It's all through being able to see how much they're using, being able to hear from us when we're anticipating that they're going to run out and be cut off. And, it's huge.
Our members drive us to look to technology to serve them quicker, better, more efficiently. It's a set of expectations by all generations now to say, if we can get it right here in our hand, and for so many that don't want to even talk to a human anymore, they want to find that technology and put it to use. And it's our responsibility to make it available to them, and we're fortunate to have those resources available to us because we couldn't develop them in-house.
One of the most important aspects to us that is directly measurable is our form of member engagement for the low-value transactions. So we began tracking how every payment is made, what form it was paid in, how the member engaged Flint to pay it. We have always been progressive in technology, again, not for the sake of technology, but for the sake of efficiency and service. And we're proud to say now that our rate of payments taken by technological means is over 80% of all payments made. And just to point out one of those, the mobile app, which has just grown and skyrocketed in use for us, takes over 25% of all member payments alone, just itself. Then we have IVR, we have payment kiosks that are located both at our offices and also strategic locations around our community, like ATM machines. And we have other, the web app and other forms of payment, and it's just, 80% of our payments are made through technology.
It's more reliable, it's more efficient, it's there when it's raining, it's there when the child's sick, it's everywhere instead of being in the office where an employee would have to be. You have to come see or call on the phone, so it's a big deal. We are 86 to 88% just about every quarter in our satisfaction. So while we'd love to have that 12% love us and cherish us, we are mighty proud of where we are. We're constantly looking for how to do things better and looking for resources like technology where we can do things better by staying in tune with our employees through our strategic planning process to know what they're hearing from our members, to say what they need or how we can bridge a gap. For example, we had an ongoing problem of how we could get signatures speaking to the military personnel going overseas without having somebody notarize it and having to come in the office. Technology solved that with a DocuSign program. But we're proud of what we do. We're proud of the suite of SEDC products that we put to use, and we show it off every time people come in to ask us about what's going on at Flint, because a lot of good things are. And our matrix on finances and employees and service and reliability and on down the line are really off the charts because of our people and the way they use the resources we have, like